Hey there, Wealth Warriors! Welcome back to Wealth Mastery Playbooks, your go-to channel for all things personal finance, investing, and of course, building that glorious wealth. If you're ready to transform your financial future and make your money work for you, then you've come to the right place. And hey, before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our expert tips and tricks. Let's get started. Today we will be talking Wealth Building 101, how to position yourself to make wealth. First things first, let's talk about mindset. Yes, I know mindset sounds like something you'd hear in a self-help seminar while someone plays a harp in the background, but hear me out. Building wealth starts in your noggin. You need to shift from a spending mindset to an investment mindset. Think of yourself as a money magician. Every dollar you earn is a little rabbit that can multiply if treated right. So instead of asking, "What can I buy?" ask yourself, "How can I make this money grow?" And remember, every great magician knows that sometimes you have to pull a rabbit out of your hat, so don't be afraid to get creative with your wealth-building strategies. Now that we've got our mindset sorted, let's tackle the practical stuff. Budgeting. Yes, the dreaded B word. But budgeting is your financial GPS. Without it, you're just driving in circles, burning gas, and wondering why you can't afford that new gaming console. So grab a pen and paper, or your favorite budgeting app, and track your income and expenses. Aim for the 50/30/20 rule: 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and investments. And remember, those wants can sometimes be a little too tempting. Is that $5 coffee worth it? Only if it comes with a side of financial freedom. Next up, let's talk about your safety net, your emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, like a cat video on the internet. One minute you're laughing and the next you're dealing with a vet bill. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund is your financial superhero cape, ready to swoop in when life throws you a curveball. And remember, this money is not for that spontaneous weekend getaway to Cabo. Keep it sacred. Now let's address the elephant in the room: debt. If you're carrying debt, it's like trying to swim with a backpack full of bricks. Not fun. Start by listing all your debts and tackling them one by one. Try the avalanche method: pay off the highest interest debt first, or the snowball method: pay off the smallest debts first for psychological wins. Whichever method you choose, just make sure you're making progress. And remember, debt is like that clingy ex. It's best to cut ties sooner rather than later. Alright, let's talk about the I word: investing. This is where the magic happens. Start by educating yourself, read books, watch videos like this one, and follow reputable financial news sources. Consider starting with a diversified portfolio: stocks, bonds, and maybe even some real estate if you're feeling adventurous. And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So don't panic when the market does its little dance. Just keep your eyes on the prize. So there you have it, folks. 5 practical steps to position yourself for wealth and self-sufficiency. Remember, it's all about mindset, budgeting, saving, managing debt, and investing wisely. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your wealth-building tips, and don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Mastery Playbooks. Hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop, and check out the links in the description for resources that will help you on your journey to financial freedom. Until next time, keep mastering your wealth. See you soon, Wealth Warriors.